Filing showed that CEO Elliott Hill bought about 16,000 shares of Nike. Somebody quickly do the math on what that is. Remember, last week we got news that Tim Cook and former Intel CEO Bob Swan also bought shares worth about $3.5 million combined. So you had Tim Cook, Bob Swan, and now you got the CEOs, newish, but coming back to the company, stepping in.
16,000 is actually not that much.
$1 million.
Yes.
That's why I was trying to do the math.
Yes.
I did the math.
At first I thought it was 16 million. No,
what'd you come up? What's the number?
It's $1 million and change.
Exactly $1 million.
Yeah.
Well, it probably was $1 million.
Probably or is.
Yeah.
Think about it.
Yeah.
16,000 is an odd number.
Yeah.
He probably said, "Here's $1 million. How many shares can I buy?"
So there's the headline.
I don't know that that's a vote of confidence. To be honest.
The news alert just crossed.
It's better than selling it. Let's give it.
Yes,
if you
better
got
than selling it.
16 shares of Nike, that would be a different issue.
True. It's better than selling 16,000.
How about this? It layers on to the news that Tim Cook, who didn't have to buy anything, came in with his own cash and bought
more than that. 2.6 million.
And Bob Swan.
I don't know how much Bob Swan bought. Well,
he would have bought about 500,000 because, according to Guy Adami's math, Tim Cook bought 3 million. So I'm just trying to do basic math here on live national television.
Yeah, I mean, okay, he should. He should buy that much. If he doesn't want to buy it at that price, I mean, why should we? But I am long. That's a sad thing to feel.
Look, it's not a bad thing, obviously.
It's not bad, but it could be better.
I think, to Karen's point. When Jamie Dimon, I think it was 2018, was it February? I forget exactly when it was. The market was getting crushed on a Friday, and news came out that Jamie Dimon had bought a few...
$500,000
shares of J.P. Morgan stock. And I think the stock was trading about $50-something dollars at the time. It never looked back. That, to me, is sort of a line in the sand. He might as well bought a couple pair of Nikes.
You gotta. I want
nobody else is.
First off, I love all of you, but you got. When somebody buys $1 million worth of stock, you're like,
We don't know. We don't know what it is. His accountant probably told him to do it. We don't know what the real, true ramification. We have no clue. I mean, it's not like he's sitting there putzing around saying, "I have $1 million."
Elliott, I think you should buy 1 million shares of Nike.
Yeah, just something. There's a rounding error with some type of wealth management.
I hope one day everybody watching and listening, for them $1 million is a rounding error. That's my holiday wish.
That's like a scene out of The Godfather.
Out there.
Mere finance.
How much money does he make this on a 17,
I will look it up in the commercial break.